Welcome back again to the channel. I want to teach you on how to switch back on Facebook new experience. How to switch back to Facebook new experience. Firstly, you open your Facebook app. It's very easy and simple. I would like you to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So the first thing, you click on this three icon, that option. You click on your account. It's very simple. Remember, this account now is just like Facebook page, so I want to get it back like normal Facebook. So what do I need to do? This is my account. You see the result now. You click on these three dots. As you can see, the first one is edit, the second one account status, third one achieve, fourth activity log, fifth review post and tag, sixth view as, seventh turn off professional mode, which is the one we are clicking on. We click on it, turn off professional mode, press continue, press turn off. But firstly, you have to read all these things. It means that your account will change from professional mode to personal account. So you click on turn off. So while we are waiting, please like the video, subscribe to our channel. Professional mode turn off successfully. Then you click on close. See the thing? It has come back to normal Facebook account. So that's it. So if I want to go back again to my professional mode, I'll just click back here. Click on turn on professional mode. Click on turn on. Firstly, you have to read all these things very well before you proceed. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Start exploring or done. I seen it. It has gone back to Facebook professional mode. So please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also follow us on Facebook at Samuski Tutorial Class. We love you.